What's up, everybody?
Hi!
Welcome to another episode of... We have a really fun project today that's going to help you take your videos up another notch. So what we're doing is...
We're going to make a stand for a green screen. So if you've noticed our past videos, we have been using green screen to change the background. We do have the green screen, very simple setup, but we realized the limitations of that setup.
Not only the smallness of it, but actually the color was more of like an avocado color. So it didn't really, it was always glitchy, you know, and it wasn't really like the quality we were looking for. So we finally had to go and buy from a tech shop. It's a huge screen. It's going to be 10 by 13 feet, which is 3 by 4 meters. Basically this entire wall back here. So we need a stand for it. So that's what we're doing tonight. So.
And we couldn't find a stand that fitted our budget. So we decided we just make our own, right?
Let's get to it, okay?
Don't forget to subscribe!
Okay, so here's our green screen. It's again, it's 3 meters wide by 4 meters long. We want it longer because it's going to come down to the floor and then go out like this. So the materials we got were actually 3 meters long. So this made it really easy for us because this is going to be the top. So it's going to loop on. You know, the fabric is going to loop right onto this, and then we're just going to throw it over the whole stand. We figured that was the easier way to do it. So Mary's going to help us build now.
By the way, these are 1-inch PVC. There are others who use 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch for size of our cloth. We needed something that's really formidable. Okay.
Yeah, because it's so tall and wide. Let's get to it. Okay.
Okay,
So,
let's go to work.
I'm going to start with the stand here. Maybe Mary can help me put this in. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I think she knows how to do it. So just 15-inch things on both sides here. You know, we did a little T thing there for the connector. This is super simple. We're going to give you all the dimensions of everything graphically on the list. So if you really do want to do this, you know, it's a lot easier. All right.
Yeah. This is how it looks like.
So we got that.
Just like this. So you need 2 of this, 1 for each leg, 1 for each side.
And of course, because it's so wide, we wanted to have a brace right in the middle. So this piece is approximately 1.5 meters, halfway across, but that is with your little T connection, you know, so you have to leave yourself room for the T connection. It's a little bit tricky. Where's the other side here? Okay, you do. She'll do that.
Put it in.
Someone took the T off on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so put this T on. That's gonna need a little safety.
She's a DIYer. Dismantle it yourself.
Alright.
Okay, see how it's already standing? Yes. Just making sure it's nice and tight. I put some tape there just to make it fit more snugly because for some reason the piece didn't really fit very snugly.
Okay, this will go down a bit then. Connected with this. This is the top bar. Connected with this. Connected with this.
Okay.
So I just, on either side, little elbows going down here.
Make sure that it's, maybe you should put it flat against the floor to make sure that parts stay flat. Oh, sorry, baby, sorry.
You need to put the, you can help us here.
Can you?
You put that middle, the one with the tape on both ends.
Oh, this one. This one. Can you hold this
So
one?
now we're just going to do our vertical bar. That's going to be the brace for the middle.
Okay.
Put it in the hole. Okay, get that out of the bench. Okay, Bing had to get something there so she could get a little taller.
And I thought 5'8" was tall enough.
Alright, I'm going to stand here in the middle and just hold this while Bing does the other side.
Okay.
This is actually the last piece. Of course, this isn't something that would last through like a typhoon or anything like that. So. But it's going to get you through 10 minutes of filming for sure. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it stands on its own. Hey, look at that. Don't push on it here. Help us unfold it. Come on. Where's the top? I need help unfolding this.
Okay, so
Top,
here's
top,
the
Grab the
cloth
top.
here.
Alright.
So we're
This is
putting
it.
the cloth, putting the 3-meter long piece of PVC to the top of the cloth. Like that.
Alright. I guess I'll
Okay.
sneak under and here we go! This is exciting. We haven't tried this before.
Okay.
It's all brand new. We just got the fabric in the mail yesterday. Decided to get out and get the PVC today. Up and over. Okay. What's the matter?
And we use these clips. There's extra large clothespins, or if you can get more heavy-duty clips, they should be big enough to wrap around these PVC pipes and fabric. Keep the fabric in place.
Alright. So here you have it. Now we have So we have plenty for the floor. So that can also be added into the scene, which is very important if you want a big background, something that looks like you're right into the environment.
If you have a screen this big, you can do walking scenes. You can act like you're walking or running.
Or a roller coaster ride.
Whoa. Or even
Swimming.
So with this setup, it's easy, a lot easier than having to move stuff around. Just build it. If you don't want it anymore, just store it. And this big piece of cloth, you can just roll it up.
So we did this one big because I'm tall, and I wanted to be in all the scenes. I didn't want to keep ducking and
Tall people
kneeling,
problem.
walking across the floor like this, like I did with Miriam in the
Yeah.
school video.
Yeah.
So I think this one is 12 inches taller than me, so this would be 7 foot 2 inches. So yeah, there you have it. Enjoy. It's going to be a fun project for you. You should try it. Give it a shot. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, and you can always tailor fit it to your needs. You don't need a screen that's this big. You just need something that's behind you when you're sitting down at a conference or online class.
Yeah, just like a little screen behind you, As
Yeah.
long as you have about a foot probably on either side and at least 6 inches above you,
Yeah.
you're fine.
So we had a lot of fun doing this episode, and hopefully you'll have a lot of fun when you make your own green screen. Thanks for watching another episode of And don't forget to subscribe!
Sending love from the Philippines.